I've never actually said this to anybody before. So all your nerds put on your hats here. So the carbon sequestration rate for hemp is actually the Fibonacci sequence.
That's why you called it your company's Fibonacci LLC. Ah,
So hemp, and I believe most plant matter, pulls at nature's ratio, which is 1.6 or 1.618 times the amount of carbon is pulled from the air per ton of biomass that you get. And that's been documented now with Oregon State and a bunch of other different places. I apologize about the sound here. I think they're cleaning up if you
oh,
hear
it's fine. It's
background
fine.
sound.
It's okay. It's
Okay, they
normal.
got vacuums going inside of the show. But so the carbon is pulled at a 1.61 to 1 ratio from the air. And that is actually the most optimum use of space. And that is how plants grow, specifically hemp. And then I take that hemp and put adhesive on it and I compress it times 1.61 times to get my optimum density, which actually just turns out to be the next best use of space in that line. And so that's why we're called Fibonacci. That's why we have the little tree inside of the O in HempWood, because it ties back to the actual company.
You've
That's
thought this
why
through.
I get bored just working in the mill all day. And so I actually plan most of the things I do like that to be Fibonacci numbers. So our flooring is 5 inches wide for a reason. It's 5/8 inches thick because 5 and 8 is also Fibonacci numbers. If you even look at our office phone number, 888-338-1235, it's all Fibonacci numbers. And the outlay and size of our mill and our different processes inside of the mill are all according to Fibonacci numbers and the golden ratio.
Oh my gosh.
So yeah, that's what I do in my spare time.
That's hilarious.